नहीं है, बायर का इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. So we have to assume that both are from different states. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, अगर दिया होता तो ठीक है, नहीं दिया है तो you need to understand and you have to assume. So you can assume that they are both from the same state also. ठीक है, but majority of the time it is better to consider that they both are from different states. So if it is not given, you'll write that and you'll assume that this is state 1 and this is another state 2. ठीक है, clear? So this is the assumption part. So अलग अलग स्टेट होने से क्या होगा? This is interstate. Interstate होने से क्या होता है? You have to pay IGST or SGST and CGST.
IGST.
Integrated GST. दो अलग अलग स्टेट है, तो गवर्नमेंट will intervene. They'll say okay fine, integrated GST and then we'll pay you. जिसको जितना मिलना है. ये समझ आ गया? Okay. So here we will calculate integrated GST, that is IGST. ये clear है? Okay. And question has given you the cost of goods rupees 1 lakh, margin is 15% and GST is 18%. So solution will be, okay, we'll start with the cost. Okay, so cost is rupees 1 lakh. ये clear है? Yeah, the clear है? Okay. We'll add profit margin. Add profit margin. And profit margin is at the rate of 15%. Remember, this will always be on cost. 15% of 1 lakh will be 15,000. Is it okay? So this will be the selling price. We got the selling price. यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes.
Selling price 1 lakh 15,000. Clear है ना यहाँ?
Yes.
Okay. And they have already told you the rate. GST का rate क्या होना है? You just have to decide कि पे क्या करना है. IGST, CGST, SGST कैसे होगा? ठीक है? You have to decide that. यहाँ तक clear है? Okay. Now since it is integrated GST, I have to calculate IGST. Right? IGST at the rate of 18%. Clear है? अब calculate करो 18%. Put this amount 1,15,000 into 18 by 100. 1,15,000 into 18 by 100. तुम लोग इतना टाइम लगाया ना कैलकुलेटर पे, हो गया एग्जाम में, फिर ऐसे बटन ढूंढते रहे ना.
Sir, 20,700.
20,000
700.
20,007 700. क्या था? क्लियर है?
Yes.
आप लोग कैलकुलेटर लेकर आओ. ओके, फाइंड आउट द टोटल, add these two. This is the total invoice value.
One three five seven.
This is payable by buyer. Payable by whoever the buyer is. ठीक है?